Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of Binomial Theorems. See, today we are going to solve all 4 questions from 2021. Okay? 2021 questions we are going to solve and serial number is 29. If n is greater than or equal to 2 is a positive integer, then the sum of the series n plus 1 c2 plus 2 times of 2c2 plus 3c2 plus 4c2 plus 5c2 plus up to nc2 is how much? But n we don't know exactly what the ending. Okay, it may be 50, it may be 100 or it may be 6 also, we don't know. But the answer also in terms of n only they have given. Okay, how to find this answer? Because see, normally n will be common, nc1, nc2, nc3 like, but here r is common, r. Okay, this is what we can say. First time we are seeing like this question. But I want to say one formula to you. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to numerator, which is what we can say, numerator only normally, which is least n least means you add 1, c which is least r minus 1 least, add 1. This formula we are going to use here. To use this formula here, first term if you see this we are not going to change. Okay, this we are not going to change. Plus 2 times of inside. See here what will happen? First term you see, if these two work, this formula, then automatically remaining are going to work. Okay, see how we are going to change this. See, to make this workable, see what is there here, 2c2 plus 3c2 are there. But as per this formula, n should be same, but here n is not same. Okay, and r minus 1, r minus 1 also not same. Then what we are going to do? See, logic I want to tell. See, 2c2 is equal to 3c2, 3 is equal to 4c4 is equal to ncn. All values are going to give 1 only. We know, if this is equal to 1, then we can write 3c3 also here. If I write 3c3, see 3c3 plus 3c2. Now you tell me n is same, but r minus 1. Now what is going to come this one? N plus 1, 4c r is how much? 3. Okay, 4c3. If 4c3 comes automatically go 4c2. Now also see n is same and r minus 1. 5c3. If 5c3 comes means 5c2. Again n is same. 6c3. This goes up to where? nc3. Okay, why? nc3 plus nc2. Okay, nc3 plus nc2. Why? Because see, result is always r is 3. Result is always 3. Okay, see, if we add, result is 3. If you add, result is 3. If you add, result is 3, r. Okay, that is why nc3 will come. Again nc3 plus nc2. n plus 1 c3. Okay. Okay. Now I am changing this. You see what I want to write, 2c2 is equal to 3c3 is equal to 1. Now see n plus 1 c2 plus 2 times of replacing 3c3 plus 3c2 plus 4c2 plus 5c2 plus dash 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 plus nc2. This is equal to n plus 1 c2 plus 2 times of 4c3 these two over. Now 4c2 plus 5c2 plus nc2, that is equal to, okay, n plus 1 c2 plus 2 times of 5c3 plus 5c2 plus nc2. Okay. Now at one go I am writing n plus 1 c2 plus 2 times of, okay, this goes up to nc3. Okay, n value we don't know. Why have written n? Why? Because see, 2 has become 3, 3 has become 4, 4 has become 5, 5 has become 6. Up to n it goes, nc3. This r is not going to change. Okay, 3 plus nc2, final term. That is equal to, see, n plus 1 c2 plus 2 times of, again, n plus 1 c3. Okay, now you what we can say, expand this, n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 minus 2 factorial 2 factorial plus 2 into, this is also n plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 minus 3 factorial, again 3 factorial. Okay, that is equal to, see, n plus 1 minus 2 means what will come? N minus 1 factorial. See, n plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial into 2. Okay, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial up to, I have brought this, plus 2 times of. Okay, this is n minus 2 factorial. Here only n minus 1, but here n minus 2 will come, 1 minus 3 minus 2. That means n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Okay, by n minus 2 factorial into 6, r is 2 into 3 I will write. Why? 2 going to get cancelled out. Here 2 not going to get cancelled out. N minus 2 factorial going to get cancelled out. Okay. Now you cross multiply. If you cross multiply, 3 into n plus 1 will be there, plus 2 into n plus 1, n minus 1 also will be there. Okay, n into n plus 1 into n minus 1. Okay, divided by 2 into 3, 6. Okay, that is equal to, see here, n into n plus 1 you take common. N into n plus 1, if I take common, here only 3 will be there, plus, here see n into n plus 1 gone, 2n minus 2 will be there. Why? Because n minus 1 into 2 will be there. 2n minus 2 divided by 6. You see, 3 minus 2, 1, 2n plus 1. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay? Is this the answer? Let us go for next question.